what's happening around me, it is like a cyclone. And if you become sensitive, you can sometimes feel the walls doing strange things. And you will feel ripples and waves of energy. One of the things that was amusing me when I was a few days before coming out here was imagining the hall. And you know, like when you're out in the mid-coast and you see all those yachts or whatever they are, the sailboats, you know, in the morning you see them going up and down and little bells ringing, and you know, it's very nice and very picturesque, and I'm looking forward to it in a few days, right? So, but what I know is, and whether you know it or not, I know that the audience are doing this. When the waves come out, people in the audience are, and of course people react in different ways when they feel a wave, right? You know, some people, they like to float. Some people get a bit nervous when a wave comes, you know. Some people want to swim. So it's interesting to see how you all react when the waves of energy are, you know, moving towards you. But I know that many of you, you're not really fully aware and fully, completely conscious as to what's happening. And I want you to be. This is a magician who, and it's, I think, quite popular. Magicians always now pretend they want you to see their tricks. I want you to see behind the scenes. I want you to understand how energy works. I want you to understand how your body works, your mind, your emotions, how it all snaps together, how your soul connects into your body, how it goes wrong and how to fix it. It's an engineering point of view. It's not mystical.